here in Colorado, and I thought a warm breakfast would be nice. So I'm going to show you how to make fried eggs. I'm 11 years old. I've been making eggs since I was 5, and I've picked up a few good techniques. First thing you need to do is heat up your pan to medium, then put your oil in. I'm using coconut oil because it makes a really good taste to the egg. So you only need a little bit of oil. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to crack the egg. I have this. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. You can see it's starting to lift it up on the edges. Bubbles are getting underneath. Now that we got our water in, we are going to put the lid on and let it steam at the top. So while that is steaming, all the heat will cook the top of the egg so you don't have to flip it. So it's nice so you don't have a chance of ruining the egg when you flip it over. So that's why I like this technique. You see how the egg is steamed on top? So that gives you a good, nice protection so the yolk will not spill out too easily. When the egg is almost done, you want to turn off your heat. Then add the salt. Looks like this is done now. Okay. Fork. Slowly take it off. There you have a nice, delicious egg. So as you can see, the yolk is still runny, and that gives it a delicious flavor. It's not overcooked. It's still really moist and not too dry.